Shiba Inu's bone has been going absolutely nuts here in the last 3 weeks, and I don't think we're done just yet. In fact, volume just crossed over 10 million here in the last 24 hours, 8 million of which coming through centralized exchanges. And we don't even have some of the major centralized exchanges that have listed bone yet. We're going to talk about all of this in this video. Appreciate you guys so much. Happy 4th of July. If it's something to celebrate if you're in the United States, great day. I'm just getting out some content for you guys before I go off and have a cookout and all that kind of fun stuff. Be safe out there. Enjoy it, though. But I wanted to dive into some of the things we're looking at here as we get closer and closer to the launch of Shibarium, right? We're all kind of eyeing now sometime this summer. Satoshi continues to drop hints for us. We're all kind of speculating here. A lot of people saying August. But what makes me so bullish on bone, obviously the use case around it, the hype surrounding Shibarium. We were sitting at 68 cents just 3 weeks ago, just in mid-June. And when we look at some of the places that have listed bone, yeah, we have some big ones, OKX and Gate, a lot of the volume coming through there. In fact, we can just kind of go like this and see where most of the volume's coming through. Actually, right now, 25% of the volume coming through Biconomy Exchange, which is pretty crazy. Mexi, OKX, okay, Bitmart, Shiba Swap, quite a bit there. Basically, here's what I'm saying, though. We don't have the Binances of the world. We don't have Binance. Once you get Binance, it's a game changer in terms of volume, in terms of exposure. And Bone right now is ranked number 125. I think there's just tremendous upside here with what we know is coming, with the use case surrounding Bone, and obviously the fact that burning Shib, Bone will have to be bought basically beforehand, turned into Shib. I think the demand here, the pent-up demand, is going to be very, very big when we come closer and closer to Shibarium and when Shibarium starts. Now, here's another asset to keep your eye on. Leash, also slightly up, back up over $300. We've been talking about this one too. Think about this. Leash was down here at $252 here in the last month. Okay, right now sitting at $300. Now, when we go out in the year, though, remember, we had a Leash price back in February of $710. That's a nice upside here from these current levels still. Leash ranked still in the top 500. These assets, both of them combined, I think are going to be primed for some moves. And, of course, Shib. Shib right now sitting ranked number 19 in the top 20, still at that 7.7 level. Moving a little bit slower than the other two right now, but don't get it twisted. Shib can catch fire in a heartbeat. Now, Shiba Inu's bone surges 16%, outperforming Ethereum and Bitcoin amid Shibarium imminent launch. And it says bone has rallied 4 times against ETH and Bitcoin, garnering the attention of proponents who anticipate a greater impact from the Shibarium gas token. This is coming from Eric CryptoMan on Twitter. Bone outperforming ETH and Bitcoin by 4x on deep 8-figure liquidity. 2 to 250 is magnet, meaning kind of next stop here for Bone. And I've been saying the same thing. Hindsight will be a bitch. Shib has multi-millions of holders and a gas token for the L1, which, if close to release, has 80,000. So CryptoMan noted that Bone boasts substantial liquidity in 8-figure range, making it an attractive investment option right now. He further indicated that the token's price point gravitates toward the 2 to 250 range ahead of Shibarium, and so far, so good. We are seeing that happen, and the bullish sentiment around Bone has been fueled up. And keep in mind, Bone went back down, touched its support level, bounced off it hard, and now we're going to see where it can go. He says Bone back to its support, potentially the point of maximum financial return, looking for a liquid 2.5x bounce here or more if Shibarium is successful. Wouldn't want to fade the gas token on a community of millions of holders like the Shib Army. I agree 100%. Not financial advice, but if you're a big proponent of Shib, take a look at Bone and Leash. I think there are going to be opportunities here in the market to make some nice returns, and that's going to be hard to come by in these type of markets. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. That really, really helps us out. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.